Ooh, I've been waiting on this so I can do a review. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we have the package here. I kept seeing this on Facebook, so I was like, okay, the reviews look good. Let me try it out. So I waited till I got off work to unbox this. It's called Love Me. Looks weird here, but the V is overlapping the M. Anyway, it comes in this cute purple box, my favorite color. Now, when I bought it, it was supposed to be $130, but it was on sale for like $94, so I went ahead and bought it because I am cheap. And 94 is better than 130. Now, when I ordered it, they said you get a free, what you call that? Flat iron. So we shall see what's in here. Okay, so take this off here. I'm going to be using my hand because I'm using my phone. I see something in here. Okay, it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Whatever Helena is. Also, I thought this was coming from America. It came from China, but very quickly. So I got this 12-inch. This is U-part wig. They claim it's 100% virgin hair. Oh, I did get the flat iron. Okay. Put this down. Okay, I'm gonna come back, y'all. Okay, so I got it out of the package, and it is a flat iron with their. I don't even have this much hair, but I'm using it anyway because it's free. It's very cheap, but it was free, so can't go wrong with free. They gave you a wig cap. Got 2 in there. And then of course you get the paper that tells you how to properly care for the hair and the refund policy. Hopefully I won't have to take it back. How to use it and how to care for it and everything. And then they got this pretty girl here. Okay, so the other girls I've seen unbox theirs, they also had this little bag. Now, mine is not like theirs. This one actually has like their logo and everything on it. And it's purple. I love purple. I'll try to do this with one hand. They gave you some bobby pins. They gave you a comb. I need this. I guess they give you a headband for like your edges. Or maybe just to wear. We'll find out. I'm pretty sure it's your edges to lay down like your, if it was a lace, to lay down the lace. They have a cute little clip here. And like tweezer things. I have no idea what this is for. I'm not a wig person. Well, lace wig person. And I guess a strap of some sort. I don't know. Again, I'm not a wig person. I'm not a wig connoisseur. I have no idea about this. Okay. That is the box. I'm going to come back in a minute and undo the wig itself. Okay, so I took the hair out of the bag. And this is 12-inch. I don't know what the wave or whatever it's called, but it's not too bad. It's really soft. No shedding so far. But like I said, this is a U-part. I have close to no hair, so we're gonna see how this works on my hair, or how it turns out here. Yeah. I suppose I'm supposed to cut this off, so again, we will be back. And it comes in this cute little purple bag. I freaking love purple. It's my favorite color. So this is awesome for me. But back to the hair. Okay, that's the hair. I guess it's like some kind of wave. Y'all, I suck at hair. But yeah, there it is. And the crazy part is it did not let me pick a color. So this is like a number 2. It's not like off black. So again, we'll see how this blends and everything with my hair and with it being so short. What I'm discovering is that this his cap is so big, but we're gonna change it up. We're gonna make it work. So this is what I got, y'all. You know, you can slick your little edges down and stuff like that. I cannot do all that stuff, but I mean, it's cool. I just gotta curl it or something, but it's cool for now, I think. Not too bad. And I got my little hair in there. Not too bad. So, okay, so this is all I've got because, quite frankly, I don't know how to do hair. Which is why I got to use part with it because I felt it was easy. But my final review on this hair, I don't think I will buy. Okay, so you know you watch videos and everything, and I think them girls be lying because this stuff shedded, it's still shedding. It's okay, hair is not the best, it's not worth the money. So yeah, it's for me, I gotta play with this, but we'll see. I don't know what y'all think. Okay, I know I sort of did like a final review, but I want to do an extra final review. And if you watched to the end, thanks for watching to the end. Anywho, I just want to say that this hair shedded like crazy. It's shedded so much, I think I'm going to have to vacuum my bathroom floor in the morning because this hair every freaking where. Also, this hair does not curl well. I mean, you can curl it, but the curls will probably stay for like 3 minutes, as you can see in the video. Like, I spent a lot of time curling. At the end, there was like no curls. Also, you know, you watch videos and reviews and stuff like that, and the other girls got like a wax hair stick thingy. I kind of needed that with my hair being short, and it wasn't in there. I'm kind of mad about that. I don't know if they traded out the wax stick for the flat irons, but I really like the stick. It's not worth the money to me. It feels like almost like if you're familiar with Outre hair, sort of like a step up above that, or like Premium 2, step above that. other than that, yeah, like I said, I don't know if those girls who do reviews be lying about certain things or if I got a worse batch than they did. I don't know. But maybe they get paid to say good stuff only, but I mean, it's cool for something quick, you know, but not like for $100 and something. Like this is something you pay $50 for something quick, you know. But that could be the cheapness in me. But all in all, I don't think I would buy from them again. I will be trying other places, but them, I don't think so ever again. Okay, good night, guys. Thanks for watching.